Hey guys, welcome to my channel, I'm Craft Master. So here today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper worn mat. So this is the paper worn mat. So let's get started. So it's actually made up of a thick paper, thick color paper. So this is not used for any spills, but you can use it as a decorative item or something like that. So let's get started. So you need two color paper and ruler, pencil and pair of scissors. So let's get started. So first take one paper color of your choice, fold it into half, okay. Now take a ruler, measure 1 inch from this top and mark it with your pencil. Now draw a line like this, and now take the same ruler, measure 1 inch, make a mark, 2nd inch, make a mark, 3rd inch, make a mark, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So I marked it over here. Now I'm gonna draw full line like this. So now we're gonna cut the paper through this line till this line over here. Don't cut it more than that, okay? I'm gonna cut this line fully because it's not 1 inch that side. So till this line like this. So after cutting this, I'll come and show it to you. So guys, now I've cut this. Keep this paper aside. Take other color sheet. Now fold this also half. Just like this. Now take ruler, mark 1 inch. So this is going to be full strip, so we're gonna cut it fully. So guys, draw the line fully, the full paper. Just like this. So now we're gonna cut it. This is now 1 inch, so I'm gonna cut it off. I'm not gonna use it. cut this line fully, just like this. Now after cutting all these like this, I'm gonna show you. Now I have cut these strips. Now after cutting these strips, unfold it like this. Now keep these strips aside. Now take the first paper which we cut, unfold it. So this is going to be our base paper for making the woven mat. Take one strip and pass it like this. So pass it through this one and take it up like this. Push it in like this, and now do the same all through the way. Now push it up, just like this. Now it's gonna be ulta. It's like this, opposite, just like this. I'll do the same to all strips and show you. Guys, so I've put all these strips. It looks like this. Now this side, we need to cut these because it's extra. So let's just cut it. So after cutting this side, I'll show you. Guys, now so I have cut these stuff, the waist strips at the side. Now it's not still fully ready. These ones can easily come out if you pull. So you need to glue these. So get your glue. Just glue it. Other side also. Turn it back and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now your mat is ready. Your paper woven mat is ready. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like this video if you liked it. And please subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks. Goodbye.